Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system, and is the only known celestial body to support life. It is approximately 4.5 billion years old, and has a diameter of around 12,742 kilometers, making it the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Earth is composed of several layers, including the solid outer crust, the mantle and the dense metallic core. Earth's position in the solar system. Earth orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, a distance that defines one astronomical unit AU. The Earth's orbit is an elliptical path with a slight eccentricity, meaning the distance from the Sun varies slightly throughout the year. It takes approximately 365.25 days, 1 year for Earth to complete one orbit around the Sun, which defines a year. Earth's rotation and revolution. Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, completing one full rotation approximately every 24 hours, defining a day. This rotation causes day and night on Earth. The axis of rotation is tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane around the Sun. This tilt is responsible for the seasons on Earth, as different parts of the planet receive varying amounts of sunlight. Throughout the year, Earth's revolution around the Sun and its rotation on its axis are fundamental to life on Earth. The combination of these motions affects temperature, climate, and the length of days and nights. The tilt of Earth's axis creates the seasonal variation in sunlight exposure, resulting in spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The Moon. Earth's natural satellite. The Moon orbits around our planet. It is about 1/4 of the diameter of Earth and has a relatively large size compared to its host planet. The Moon takes about 27.3 days to orbit Earth completely, a period known as its sidereal month, due to its synchronous rotation with Earth. We always see the same side of the Moon, which is known as the near side.